Welcome everyone. In today's video, I'll be walking you through the entire process of downloading, installing and activating the Microsoft Office 2024 LTSC preview, which is completely free. Before we begin, what is Office 2024 LTSC? The LTSC stands for Long-Term Servicing Channel, which is a release model designed primarily for organizations that prefer one-time purchase instead of a subscription-based Microsoft 365 model. Now, without further ado, let's get started. The first step is to download the Office Deployment Tool, which is the ODT. To install the preview version, you will need the Office Deployment Tool. This is an official Microsoft utility that allows you to customize and deploy Office installations easily. And you can download it directly from the Microsoft Download Center. And I've provided a link in the video description below. So you can use the link to get the ODT file. Once downloaded or after downloading the ODT file, copy the executable file and then head to your local disk C or your drive C and then create a new folder. Rename this new folder to Office 2024. Now, paste the ODT file inside the newly created folder, which is the Office 2024 folder. Then you right click on the executable file and then you click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes to allow this app to make changes. Check the box for click here to accept the Microsoft software license terms and then click on Continue. Now, to select a folder to store the extracted files, head to your drive C where the new folder was created. And then you select the Office 2024 folder that we just created for the extraction. And you click on OK. Once done, your folder will contain all the necessary files to install the Office 2024 LTSC. Now, to tell the ODT what to install, we need a configuration file named configuration.xml. Don't worry, I've provided this file in the description, so you can easily download and copy it into your Office 2024. This configuration file ensures that ODT installs the correct Office 2024 LTSC preview with all the necessary components. So you can go ahead and then copy the downloaded XML file and then you paste it inside the Office 2024 folder. Now it's time to start the installation using command prompt. Head to your search icon on your taskbar and then click on it and then type in CMD. Then you run the CMD as an administrator. Click Yes to allow this app to make changes. This will open command prompt. Now, enter the following command. I will leave all the command in the description so that you can easily copy and paste into the CMD window. First of all, you copy this command, C Office 2024. You copy the Office 2024 and then you paste it inside the command prompt and you press enter. For the next one, copy the second command, which is the setup.exe / configuration.xml. You copy that one as well and then you paste it inside the CMD window. Press enter to start the installation, and then don't forget the installation process may take a few minutes, so be patient. As you can see, we are getting things ready, which is by the Microsoft. Once completed, the Office 2024 will be successfully installed on your system. Now the next step is to activate Microsoft Office 2024. Now, after installation, you will need to activate Office 2024 LTSC preview. Here is how. Open any of the Microsoft app, whether Word or Excel, and then click on Accounts. You will see a message saying product needs to be activated. Click on Change Product Key, and then enter the product key I've provided or that I will provide in the video description. You can just copy the product key and then paste it inside. Close the Office app and reopen it. A pop-up will appear asking for activation. Go ahead and select I want to activate over the internet. Click next and that's it. Your Microsoft Office 2024 LTSC preview is now fully activated and ready to use. That's all for today's guide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to click on a like, subscribe and share to support the channel. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.